to World's Classic and Sports Car. Today we're delighted to offer to you this rare 2000 registered BMW Z3M Coupe. Finished in the best combination of Estoril blue metallic with blue and black two-tone Napa leather seats. The car has been owned by the same family since 2002. It's covered 95,000 miles from new, extensive service history, almost all of the MOTs going back to the first one, and it presents itself beautifully. Not much use recently. When we purchased the vehicle off the previous owner, we undertook a restoration program to restore the car to the beautiful example you see today. These are a love or hate it car. Personally, I love them. Very rare. It's the S50 engine, 320 brake horsepower, manual gearbox, and performance obviously. As we look around the car, you'll see it sits on these 17-inch star design wheels with recent Michelin Pilot Sport tyres. You'll notice the M badge is missing. We are waiting for new ones to arrive, having the wheels been recently refurbished. Quad exhaust at the back, rear wash wipe obviously, and this car is fitted with the desirable glass pop-up sunroof. Okay, as we close into the detail of the car, you'll see the paintwork has been finished to a very high standard in our own workshops. And you look down the car, you'll see no dents or scratches. The brakes have been sandblasted and repainted. We'll just close in on a few areas just to show you the attention to detail this car has received. It is totally immaculate on the outside. So there we are. We'll now go inside the car. So there you see the blue and black leather sport seats in good condition. Slight wear just on the driver's bolster, just with the mileage of the car. Blue dashboard. Showing the buttons for the heated seats and the air conditioning. The mileage on the car is 95,036 and it's got a fabulous service history file with the car. The original BMW RDS radio cassette with a CD changer in the boot. There we see the glass sunroof, electrically operated. Speakers on the rear roof there. Footwell in great condition. Always had mats by the looks of things. And again, the detail around the door, pillars, and down the sills. It's there. Door cards are all in lovely condition. And the boot, we'll open the tailgate. Again, nicely detailed around the apertures. There we see the BMW CD changer. The compressor is underneath there, and also we've got the full tool kit and first aid kit under there. Under the bonnet, manufactured November 99. There you go, the colour card there, Astral Blue, matte finish underneath there. And there's that super smooth 6-cylinder BMW M power unit. So that's about it for now. We will take you down the road in the car, but if you are interested, give us a call on 01507 606 725 or visit the website wallsideclassics.co.uk. Okay, we'll just give you a buzz up the road in this lovely Z3M Coupe. Service history, all the brakes have all been done recently. Gears all good. Coming down the gears, no synchro problems anywhere. Everything working quite nicely. So, up to temperature now. No creaks or rattles through the bodywork. To be handled well, these are so well balanced, lovely 320 brake horsepower, silky smooth engine. Well through the gears, just a great all-round car. So fully restored by ourselves, ready to go, ready to enjoy. If you are interested in one of these, please come and take a look at this, have a look at the high resolution photos and the videos on our website wallsideclassics.co.uk, and give us a call on 01507 606 725. Thanks again.